Good day everyone. I just want to share po this verse from Matthew 6:33, New International Version, and how, when, and why we need to seek our living God. Matthew 6:33. But seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. First po, how can we seek our God? Paano? We can seek our God by reading the Bible every day. We need to understand and meditate on His words, kung ano po yung gustong sabihin ni Lord sa atin at kung ano po yung pinapagawa niya sa atin. So, in order to seek Him po, we need to read our Bible every day po. Secondly po, when we can seek God, kailan? We need to seek Him po in a daily basis of our life po. So, hindi po once a week, hindi siya once a month, hindi once a year. It should be daily po. Especially po in tough times, when we are tempted, and in good times of our life. In any circumstances po ng life natin, we need to seek Him po. Thirdly po, why we need to seek God? Bakit? We should seek Him so that we will have a deep relationship with Him. And in order for us to see how God loves us, that He can do miracles and wonders in our life, na hindi po natin lubos maisip na mangyayari po yung miracles and wonders na yun sa buhay natin. So, kailangan po natin talagang isik si Lord. By seeking God first, all the things that our hearts desire, as long po that our motives are good po, for sure po God will answer our prayers. So I encourage everyone po to read our Bible daily, to seek our God first, para po magkaroon po tayo ng deeper relationship with Him. Because knowing God po, napakabuti po ni Lord, at lahat po ng ating mga dasal po ay Kanyang sasagutin. Maraming salamat po. God bless.